Hello there and welcome to my channel. Today's video I am celebrating a stamp and die of the month with Not Too Shabby Shop. So let's get started. So here is a close-up look at the stamp and dies of the month for the shop. This one is called Sweethearts and I just think it's so adorable. I love the little snowman here and the wooden sign. That's exactly what I will be using today on this card. Okay, so to start off my card, I am stamping the snowman image onto white cardstock. This white cardstock is alcohol marker friendly, as well as the black ink that I'm using because I do plan on using my Copic markers. This card does require a little bit of masking, so I'm going in with a little bit of masking paper and I'm placing that over the snowman or the snow girl, and I'm stamping the same image onto it. Then going in with my fussy cutting scissors, I went ahead and fussy cut the image out, and once that was ready, I went ahead and applied that on top of the snow girl. And once I had the masking paper covered on the stamping image, I went ahead and placed the wooden sign onto the cardstock as well. So I wanted the sign to be behind the snow girl. So what I'm doing here is I'm just placing the clear stamp right behind her little twig arm, and I'm going to stamp that down using the same colored ink with my stamping platform again. And I did have to stamp that down twice just to make sure I got a clear impression. And once that was stamped out, I went ahead and removed the masking paper, and I am going to get started on the Copic marker coloring. So like always, I will go ahead and leave a timestamp down below. So if you're not interested in the coloring part, you can go ahead and forward it to that time. But if you are, I hope you sit back and enjoy. Okay, I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Santa, I've been good this year. Make your list and check it twice. I'll leave you a note right here underneath the Christmas lights. Carols and bells, none of them help. I still feel blue. I just wanna fall in love this Christmas. I don't need a fancy watch. You can give the elves a break. No, you can't make it in the shop. You can't put it on your sleigh. You know me so well that nobody else can do what you do. I just wanna fall in love this Christmas. I just wanna fall in love. Save the wrapping paper, your ribbon and bow. I don't need that extra stuff. Oh, I just wanna fall in love. Santa, I've been good this year. Make your list and check it twice. I'll leave you a note right here.
Okay, so I am back. So I wanted a little small sentiment onto the wooden sign. So I went ahead and stamped out the love sentiment from the stamp set using Versamark ink. And off screen, I went ahead and applied white embossing powder and heat set that. So I wanted the card to have a different shape. Usually I create A2 size or 5x7 cards. So here I'm going in with a square die And I'm die cutting that out of my die cutting machine. And off screen, I went ahead and trimmed out a red cardstock, just slightly larger than the card panel. I like to create a little mat, and I love doing that with a little pop of color. And to finish it off, I went ahead and adhered everything together using liquid adhesive, and I adhered it to a top folding card base, and I trimmed the card base just enough to fit the card front. And that pretty much completes the card. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and please don't forget to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
You know me so well.